Good afternoon, everyone. I am Naveen Kumar from TBA, and I am responsible for pre-sale technical support for TBA products. Today, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the TBA as a company and the products which we are offering in the renewable sector. Especially, we will cover the solar sector, where we are providing different kind of solutions, sing inverters, central, and then we do have power quality solutions. Starting with the introduction of the company, TBEA Sanosis was established in year 2000, and we are a leading green and intelligent energy service provider in the world, which is driven by its mission of green energy for better life. And we focus on PV, wind power, power electronics, and other fields. And we provide customer with integrated solution for clean energy projects. We provide services from development stage, then investment, design, construction, and intelligent equipment, the one which we belong to, the inverter division. And then we also provide services for power station commissioning and intelligent operation and maintenance. TBEA Sanosis is listed in Hong Kong Stock Exchange with the name of Sinte, and Sinte is our parent company. We have more than 2,000 employees on roll, and we are present in more than 20 countries across the globe. Zero carbon earth for digital energy. Under the guidance of carbon peaking and carbon neutrality, TBEA implements the strategy of digital energy for zero carbon earth based on the power electronics technology and digital technology. And we provide end-to-end solution, starting from the development stage for PV and wind. In development stage, we provide services like assessment of wind and solar resources, then site selection of power station projects, project development process, and issuance of feasibility study report. Going ahead, we have investment or financing arm, where we provide multiple investment and financing modes. We do also provide financing cost analysis. Moving ahead, then we have a design institute where we provide a design support or services for wind and solar projects, power transmission and transformation, energy storage, and microgrid. Afterwards, going ahead, we have engineering construction division where we provide a complete EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction of the PV and wind projects. Intelligent equipment like for solar and wind, we provide PV inverters in both sink and central, power routers, flexible converter valves, energy management system, and static power generator, which is a reactive power generator device, which can help you to improve the power quality of your grid. Then the energy storage system. After that, we do provide commissioning services for PV and wind projects. Then finally, the TBEA eCloud for the intelligent operation and maintenance of the project. Now, if we talk about the main business of TBEA Sanosis, we provide intelligent manufacturing services, engineering construction, and intelligent operation. Moving ahead with the intelligent manufacturing unit, the one which we belong to, where we provide our intelligent equipments. For generation devices, we have competitive solutions which can be utilized for distributed, industrial, commercial, and utility scale projects. Then we have intelligent transmission solution like power quality solution, flexible HVDC solution, which covers like SVG, static power generator, HVDC, high voltage DC, and the flexible DC converter valve. In distribution segment, we have microgrid solution, energy storage solution. We call it as a power router or energy storage converter. For operation and maintenance, we have our own proprietary TBEA cloud solution. If we talk about the product range in terms of inverters, we do have a complete product range starting from 8 kilowatt, which goes up to 9 megawatt integrated solution. In the string inverter, for residential sector, we have 8 kilowatt to 15 kilowatt, then 10 to 25 kilowatt. For commercial applications, we have 150 kilowatt. For utility scale projects, we have 300, 330, and 360 kilowatt string inverter. It's a single unit of 360 kilowatt. For central solutions, we have two inverters. One is 3.125, second one is 4.4 megawatt single unit. However, both these models are modular in nature. It have different number of modules. For example, 3.125 consists of two number of modules, which is 1.5 megawatt each. Similarly, for 4.4, we have three modules. As you can see in the picture, there are three modules in the cabinet, and each module capacity is 1.5 megawatt. For integrated machine room and boost inverter, for central solution, we have ITS solution, and the capacity is 4.4 megawatt, 6.25 megawatt, then 8.8 and 369 with a string inverter solution. For the central solution, we provide inverter, transformer, and the RMU. For string solution, 3 megawatt, 6 megawatt, and 9 megawatt, we provide this booster container solution where we provide LV cabinet, transformer, and the RMU, you can say. For PV solution, string inverter solution, we provide a complete package including inverters, communication box, transformer station, and the e-cloud monitoring system. If we talk about the main features of this, the biggest inverter in the market for string inverter, it is 360 kilowatt, and this product comes up with the compatibility with different kinds of module technologies. You can utilize this product for different kinds of module, whether it is 182 mm cell size or 210 mm cell size. And we have option of different PV inputs, 24 numbers or 30 inputs, which can support higher DC AC ratios. And we are utilizing 3-level IGBT topology, which can enhance your efficiency level of the product, and we are able to achieve 99% of efficiency and 98.8 European efficiency. In this product, we have come up with an intelligent string disconnect switch, which will ensure the safety of your product in case there is some fault on the DC side. For NT-PID function, this product is having both option, NT-PID and the PID recovery. NT-PID, which will guarantee your yield, it means it will prevent the PID effect in a module, which will guarantee the yield in your PV modules. And it can support weak grids where the SCR ratios are up to 1. In terms of communication, we have WLAN plus app, which can have wireless access to the user interface. Some of the key parameters of this product is, since it is a 1500 volt solution, the MPPT range starts from 500 volt to it goes up to 1500 volt. It's a wide MPPT range where it can deliver 100% or rated power from 940 volt to 1300 volts. Output power at different temperature, like when the temperature is 30 degree, it can deliver 363 kilowatt, 40 degree, it can deliver 330 kilowatt, and 50 degree, it can deliver 300 kilowatt. Nominal output voltage is it's a 800 volt AC system. Nominal MPPT current is 65 ampere per MPPT, means it is compatible for different kinds of technology. Degree of protection, it's IP66, which is meant for outdoor uses. Efficiency 99%. Number of inputs 24 or 30, it's optional or customized. Number of MPPT trackers per inverter is 6 number. And degree of anti-corrosion, it's C5. Cooling method, it uses smart air force cooling based on the ambient temperature or the component temperature, the cooling will be activated, where you can control the auxiliary consumption of the product. Communication and display, it can support RS-45, power line carrier communication, LED, WLAN plus app for the local monitoring. Compliance, we do have IEC certificates, or we comply to the different grid code requirements. Now coming on to the booster solution or MV transformer station, where we provide two different kinds of products. Like one is with 228 kilowatt string inverter, second one is with 330 kilowatt inverter. In this booster station, we integrate LV panel, transformer, RMU, and other auxiliary supply, which is meant for external usage, means your device can be connected on that auxiliaries. And it's a 20 feet container, which can match, which can transform LVAC power to MVAC power and inject to the grid system. For the existing product 228 kilowatt, we have two capacities. One is 3.4, second one is 6.8 megawatt. For the new solution, which we discussed right now, 300 kilowatt, we are coming up with three capacities, 3 megawatt, 6 megawatt, and 9 megawatt. It is for 330 kilowatt string inverter. Now the advantage of these booster stations or the integrated solutions, it is prefabricated and pre-tested, which is very simple to install on site without any internal cabling required on site. And it's a standard container of 20 feet, which is very easy for transportation from one place to another place. Stable and reliable operation, since this solution comes up with IP5 protection, which is meant for outdoor usage. C4 and C5 anti-corrosion, which is adaptable to different harsh environments. If we talk about the efficiency and the smart operation, it have low power consumption, tier 1/2 PI efficiency. LV panel, transformer, and RMU are real-time monitor. Means you can monitor these three equipments in the real time. LV panel and RMU are remote control, means you can control the LV panel and the RMU sitting far from your sites. Supportive to grid, we comply to the different IEC standards, grid codes, and we can provide this solution with MV voltage up to 36 kV. When we move to central solution, we have discussed the SYNC solution. Now we are coming up with this central solution where we can provide combiner box, inverter power station, and the e-cloud solution. In inverter power station, as I mentioned, we have three equipments. One is inverter, transformer, and RMU. The latest central inverter which we launched this year, it is 4.4 megawatt. And it comes up with 3 units of 1.5 megawatt, which can be connected to a single LV winding of the transformer. Since it is a modular inverter, it can give you. So the MPPT range, again, it's a 1500 volt solution. The MPPT range starts from 938 volt and goes up to 1500 volt. The power output of this product is 4.4 megawatt. With the maximum power of 5.28 megawatt at 20 degree. Again, the degree of protection, it have two options, IP55 or IP65. Both are meant for the outdoor uses. In this product also, we utilize IGBT 3-level topology, where we are able to reduce the switching losses of the IGBT and reduce the size of the LC filter, so that we can achieve the maximum efficiency from the product. That's why we are able to achieve 99% maximum efficiency and Euro efficiency of 98.7%. Number of inputs, again, we are flexible in number of inputs. We have 18 inputs as a standard model. Then we have an option of 21 or 24 inputs. In this product, we try to get the benefits of SYNC inverter also, where we have multiple MPPTs. In this product, we have 3 MPPTs, which will reduce your mismatch losses as compared to the conventional central inverters, where you have a single MPPT. Degree of anti-corrosion, it has both options, C4 or C5. Cooling method, we are using smart A-force cooling. Communication, RS-485, Ethernet, Web HMI, WLAN plus app. The main features of 4.4, it support higher DC-AC ratio, efficiency more than 99%, excellent heat dissipation design, which will guarantee the long-term reliability of the product, IP65 IP protection, C5 corrosion grade, and then which can adapt to the different various severe environment. Multiple inverter unit combination design, which is very easy to operate and maintain. You can see that there are 3 modules in this 4.4 megawatt. Quick dynamic and active power responses, which is required for grid support, or you can say for the stability of your grid. You need a quicker response from the inverter in terms of active power for regulating the frequency, and reactive power for maintaining your grid voltage. Anti-PID and PID repair function for preventing the PID effect in the modules. Then WLAN plus app. Moving ahead for transformer turnkey station with central inverter. We have 3 solutions in this one. One is with 3.125 megawatt inverter, which is 6.25 MVA, a single transformer station, which consists of 2 numbers of 3.125, 1 transformer and RMU. The second one is 8.8, which comes with 2 numbers of 4.4 megawatt inverter, transformer and RMU. Similarly, with efficiency levels are quite high, and high capacity, which will reduce the quantity of MV equipment, which will save the investment of whole solar station. Stable and reliable operation, IP55 or IP65 meant for outdoor uses. Anti-corrosion grade C4 or C5, and scientific thermal design and effective cooling to improve the performance of the product. Integrated and convenient solution. As I mentioned, for Sing inverter solution, it is prefabricated and pre-tested in the factory, and easy for the transportation and installation at site. Modular inverter design, easy for operation and maintenance, replacement and maintenance. Means in case of any fault on one of the modules, other modules can work. Like in 4.4 megawatt, we have 3 modules. If there is some problem outside the inverter or inside the inverter in one particular module, you can operate other 2 modules. Some of the typical applications where we have utilized our inverters, Sing Central, in different parts of world, with the very cold environment, then hill stations, then in the desert area, we have shown in the one from India. Quickly covering the Sing inverters. For commercial, we have 150 kilowatt inverter for commercial and industrial application. I'll quickly go through these are the main benefits of our products, which can give you the high generation, grid friendly, intelligent operation and maintenance, which comes up with different safety and reliability features. For C&I, for residential, this is, we are providing 8 kilowatt to 25 kilowatt. Again, these products can give you high power generation, safety and reliable operation, intelligent and operation and maintenance. Coming on to the power quality solutions for solar projects or wind projects, we are manufacturing static VAR generator to support the grid voltage, where we have 2 different kinds of solution, indoor and outdoor, air cooled and water cooled. And the voltage levels we can supply from 3.3 kV, which goes up to 35 kV. Means rather than feeding through the inverter for reactive power, you can utilize this device at your 33 kV or 35 kV MV bus level. So it will be a centrally located solution. We have capacities starting from 15, which goes up to 100 MVR single unit. Some of the references, we have utilized this SVG at different parts of the world. Liquid cooling energy storage system. We come up with a different solution for storage, where we have string integrated PCS, liquid cooled battery container, liquid cooled battery cabinet. The advantage of this solution is it will have a cluster level management, which will increase the consistency and the battery discharge capacity by 7%. The temperature difference of this liquid cooling system is consistent, and the battery life is expected to increase by 20%. Again, it's a modular design solution, which is very convenient for operation and maintenance. This solution can bring you extreme security, meticulous and efficient operation, flexible and friendly uh, options, and which will provide a flexible layout, minimal operation and maintenance, quick replacement. For PCS, we have 186 or 200 kilowatt, which will have all these benefits: reliability, high availability, high cost performance. In cost performance, as I mentioned in my previous slide, it can give you a discharge capacity increase by 7%. Now, for the booster integrated machines, where we integrate several machines of 186 or 200 kilowatt in one booster station, where we provide PCS plus transformer plus the switchgear. Liquid cooling battery cabinet with the safety protection of liquid cooled leak proof design, integrated liquid guide tank, real-time liquid leakage protection, efficiency improvement, as I mentioned, plus 7% more usable capacity of the batteries, plus 20% longer operating cycle of the batteries, a smaller temperature difference, less than 3%, higher energy density, plus 24%, low power supply cost, which is minus 9%. Then since it is having the flexible configuration, you can have flexible foundation design, flexible spatial layout, flexible capacity configuration, and flexible maintenance and replacement option. Application cases where we have utilized this solution, we have a pilot project in our own factory where we have 1 megawatt hour microgrid solution. Operation and maintenance, we do have our own e-cloud monitoring solution, where we have utilized this solution in 12 gigawatt plants across the globe, which gives a power generation increase by 3%, O&M efficiency increase by 10%. Service assurance system, anywhere in the world, wherever we provide our solution, you can find our service guys as nearby you. And we provide consulting service, training service, and site service. And we communicate with the customer and record problems. And based on the customer request, regular inspection, we analyze the problem and determine the solution for the same. And if required, we will arrive to the site within 24 hours of the complaint notification. On-site maintenance and problem solving. We conduct problem training for the customer satisfaction, and then we archive all this information in our records. Now, TBEA Sonosis have a total capacity of 25 gigawatt wind and solar power projects, which is producing more than 500 terawatt hour of clean energy contribution per year. And it is giving carbon dioxide emission reduction of 3,535 million tons of carbon dioxide emission, which is equivalent to 3,535 million trees to be planted. Thank you. If you have any questions about our product, we can discuss off the dice. Thank you.